Hello, here's Hadris with WTI, and I have this super cool glass. This has definitely been one of the best things for kids because with a regular cup, they always end up spilling everything. But with this one, they can even tilt their heads back, nothing will spill, and they can keep drinking as usual. It works like this because the lid has holes and something like a filter to prevent the liquid from spilling. So when we close it, nothing, absolutely nothing comes out unless they suck the liquid with their mouths, so it can only come out that way. I really love it because after they eat, I don't have to wipe liquid off the table and they don't get their sheer dirty with use. So it's perfect. And this is my point of view.